Hello everyone, I welcome you all. We are meeting after a long gap. I hope you are enjoying your holidays a lot. Uh, I don't think that you have learned anything in the vacations, but still now our school has been started and now we have to focus on our studies. So I welcome you again in the fourth standard. Uh, I introduce myself. I'm your fourth standard English teacher, myself Rupali Surwade, and today we will learn some facts about the English. Okay, so have you know all the alphabets of English? Yeah. So how many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. And that how many vowels are there? 5. That 5 vowels are A, E, I, O and U. These are the 5 vowels and rest of the 21 are consonants. We all know that, and whatever incomplete in that we will continue in the grammar portion. We will see all these things in the grammar. Okay, so before wasting time, I would like to ask you some questions that which season is going on now? Of course, rainy season has been started. Okay, so how many seasons are there in a year? Mainly we are calculating 3 seasons: summer season, rainy season and winter season. So which season do you like most? As a children, I know that most of the students like rainy season. Why? Because they enjoy the rain very much. They like to dance in the rain, they like to get drawn up in the water, and they like to dance in the raining. Okay, and it gives them the lot of enjoyment and happiness in the rainy season. So today we are going to talk about the rain only, and in the fourth standard the first poem is on your favorite topic, that is about the rain. So do you like rain? Okay, so we will start a portion that is unit 1, poem number 1, Rain in the Night. Rain in the Night, which is written by the poet Amelia Josephine Burr. Amelia is the American poet and she has written this poem just to enjoy for the children. Okay, so we will recite the poem at first. So look at the poem. Raining, raining all night long, sometime loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make a lazy kitty wash its little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. So, have you enjoyed the poem? The poem is very nice and very interesting. We will go through the poem after the recitation one by one para, and I would like to explain you all that. So raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud and sometimes soft, just like a song. And hope you all like the songs, how we are liking the songs. Whatever the new songs are coming, everyone likes that song. It may be different to every person, but every child likes the song or the poetry, we can say. So here in the poem it is explained that raining started in the night time, and all the night the raining continues and the children are enjoying the night, enjoying the rain. Okay, and the sound of the rain is mentioned over here is sometime it is loud, sometime very fast, sometime very slow, and it the sound of the rain is coming like a song. Children are enjoying that. Okay, and the next para, This poet wanted to describe that there will be gutters in the rivers. Rivers in the gutters. There will be rivers in the gutters means what? Have you seen rivers and any time? Rivers means the flowing water which is very large in amount. We are seeing the canals which is very small, but rivers are very large, very big. So they are saying that in the night time, the long night, if the raining is there, then the water will flow like a rivers and lakes along the street. And if you want to travel on the road, that time you will find the lakes around the street. Lakes means the water which is from the rain coming out. It will stop into the mud. It will stop into the holes made by the side of road or middle in the road, and it will look like a lakes. Okay, it will make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. And you know that the animals are also enjoying the rainy season. And lazy kitty means here it is explained that one kitty is there, one cat is there, and she also like to wash her feet into the flowing water of the rain. Okay, the roses will wear diamonds like kings and queen of court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. So here the description of the nature is also given in the poem. The roses flowers means in the garden. When the rain is there, that time the rose flowers will wear the diamond. So can you imagine that roses are wearing diamonds? Yeah, they can wear diamonds like when the water droplets come on the petals of the roses and the leaves of the roses, that time it will stay over there, and because of the sunshine the water drops started shining and it will look like a diamonds. That is why the poet is saying that the roses will wear diamonds, as the kings and queens are also wearing in their crowns. Okay, and the pansies all get muddy. Pansies means it is a type of flower which have the small plants. Some of the glossary and meanings are also given in the poem. Gutters means a canal at the end of a street that carry off water. Means the flowing water of the street which is go through the canal by the side of the road, it called gutters. And pansies means a small plants or their flowers. The flowers have purple, yellow or white velvety petal. A type of flower which can be in yellow color or which can be in purple color, and which can be in white color also, and its petal are velvety. Velvety means very soft and smooth petals. Okay, so pansies also get muddy because of the heavy rain and because they are so short. So the plant of the pansies are very short, and because of the heavy rain the water will flow, and because of that water the pansy plant and flowers will get muddy. That's why the line is mentioned over here by the poet that the pansies will get muddy. Do you understand what I am telling? The description of the rainy season is mentioned over here, and the raining is happening in the night. Okay, the last para is I will sell my boat tomorrow. Means one girl is there and she wanted to enjoy the rainy season in the night, and she wanted to describe what she is going to do in that rainy season. Because if you observed, raining is there. And the second para we have seen that kitty is also, kitten, cats are also enjoying the rainy season. In the next para we have seen that the nature, the roses, the pansies are also enjoying. And the last para, the poet want to express that she also like the rainy season, and what she is going to do in that rainy season. She is saying that she will also sell her boat tomorrow. Tomorrow, why tomorrow? Because the raining is happening at the night time, and at the night she cannot sail her boat. That's why she is planning to sail her boat tomorrow. And in wonderful new places, she wanted to travel through the boat. Wonderful new places, because wherever the water of the rain will flow, there she can sail, or there her boat will sail. Okay, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansy's faces. But she is planning to sail the boat in the rainwater which is flowing besides the streets, and but she has mentioned that before sailing the boat in the water, she wanted to wash the pansy's faces. What are the pansy's faces here? Pansies, as we have seen, it is a small plant or their flowers. Okay, so plants and flowers which have get muddy because of the heavy rain in the night, and before doing any planning by sailing boat, the girl, the poet, wanted to wash the faces of the pansies. Means at first she will fill her water pot, watering jar, and with that she wanted to wash the flowers and the plants of pansies, and next she wanted to plan to sail her boat in the flowing water of the rain at morning. Okay, so here we can learn that so many things are mentioned in the poem. I hope you have understand all these things. In the first para, it is described about the rain. The raining is happening for the whole night. Next, not only because of the raining, it sounds like a song, and the children are also enjoying it. Sometimes it is very soft, sometimes it is very loudly raining, and not only the children but the animals also like to drown into the water, get they wanted to wash their feet. And not only that, if you observe towards the nature, the flowers and the plants are also enjoying the water. They are just enjoying, like they are wearing the diamonds on their petals and leaves. And the poet, the girl which is shown in the poem, is also enjoying the rain, and she wanted to plan whatever she want to do with the rain the next day tomorrow. So it's very easy poem, nothing is hard into it. Whatever the poet feel, she just wanted to express that, and we will also imagine what is happening in that poem. So there are some rhyming words in the poem. I hope you know all that words when we have recite the poem. So first one is long song. So my question is that what are the rhyming words? Rhyming words are which sound same like other. Okay, the pronunciation, the sound of the one word is same to others is called rhyming words. Long, song, strict, fit, court, short, places and faces. These are the four word mentioned in the poem. So I would like to ask you some questions given in the exercise, that is, how long has it been raining? Can you answer the question? Yeah, the raining has been for the over the long night, all night long. Okay, what effect will the rain have on the following? First one, kitty. What effect have been happen on the kitty? The kitty is also enjoying the rainy season. She wanted to wash her feet on the rain water. Next one, roses. And the nature roses are also enjoying the water, the rainy season which is happening at the night, and the water droplets which stops on the petals and the leaves on the roses are shining with the help of sun rays, and it looks like a diamond wearing by the queen and king. Like that, the droplets are shining. Okay, about the pansies. Pansies also enjoyed the rainy season a lot, but what happened? The pansies are very small and short plant, and the flowers are also on it. So because of the heavy rain, the water which go through the canals, they makes the plant and the flower muddy, and the poet next wanted to wash the faces of the pansies and the petals of the pansies in the next morning to make them happy, to make them clean. Okay, so these are the effect of the raining on the following things. What is the child planning to do the next day? I hope you know the answers very well, because so many times we have repeated that line in the explanation that the child is planning to sail her boat in the flowing water, in the canals, in the gutters. But before that, she is planning to wash the pansies faces. Pansies faces mean pansies petals and pansies plants, because these are the small plants, and she wanted to take the water into her watering can, and with the watering can she wanted to wash the plants and flowers. So this is the planning of the girl. Okay, and you can also, with your observation, you can also describe in 3 to 5 lines that what happened when it rains in your surrounding. So you may have also observed so many times raining, sometimes at night, sometimes in afternoon, sometimes in daytime also. So what are you uh, planning to observation of the raining in your surrounding? You also can write 4 to 5 lines related to it. Okay, so write that 4 to 5 lines as an essay. What are your imagination? What are your description in that? What you want to plan in that? And which are the animals in your surrounding that are enjoying these things? What about the gardens? What about your plants which are in the pots? What effect you have observed on it? Is there any flowering plant? And on the flowering plant, have you seen any diamond like water droplets, water drops shining on it? And what are the planning? What do you want to do in the rainy season? That is totally depend on you. Describe that in 3 to 5 lines as an essay. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video.